So do you think Tesla can have 17 or 18% of the worldwide market when it's all electric vehicles? Is that what you're saying?
And if we're right, if we are right, this stock has only begun.
But that makes it think this isn't actually a vote for Tesla. It's a vote in all these other established car companies completely failing to make the crucial transition, which they've known for several years they were going to have to make.
Yeah,
I mean, can we really be that pessimistic about the likes of BMW?
They're failing miserably, and in battery technology, they're not riding down the consumer electronics cost curve, which Tesla decided to run down, and people made fun of them. Oh, you're putting cell phone batteries at the bottom of the car, cell phone batteries that blow up. No, they chose lithium-ion pouch, which is much more costly than Tesla's consumer electronics batteries. So if they want to compete with Tesla, they'll have to sell every electric vehicle at a loss. At the same time, they're losing their internal combustion engine business. The reason this is going to happen is because within the next 18 months, 2 years, the price of an electric vehicle, like for like categories, is going to drop below that for a gas-powered vehicle for the first time. And it will continue to fall because we're riding down the battery cost curve decline. So the traditional auto manufacturers, if you look at their R&D budgets, or you look at GM's, 10% of its R&D, $25 billion in, capital spending is allocated to electric. They should be at almost 100 now, given what's about to happen. And I think the reason Berlin, Germany, invited Tesla to build a factory 200 football fields, either soccer or our football, that big, is because they know they're in trouble. They've got to adjust, or else they're going to lose a tremendous number of jobs.
Don't you think it's a little early to count the traditional companies out of it? I mean, they haven't really almost gotten started.
So that is the problem. That is the problem. They have just gotten started, and what they have delivered are cars that don't even meet, whether it's range or other metrics, the Model S circa 2012. Now, of course, there are three other advantages Tesla has. So batteries, one. Second is they have their own artificial intelligence chip. And our analyst, James Wang, who worked at NVIDIA, the artificial intelligence company, for 8 years, looked at the specs of this chip and said, oh my gosh, they're 4 years ahead of any other auto manufacturer in terms of the specs out there on chip technology. And that's important because we're going autonomous with electric. And autonomous is an artificial intelligence project, right? The winner will have the most data and the highest quality data. Tesla has 14 billion miles of real-world driving data today, and the closest competitor, Waymo, has 20 million. So and then the last is Tesla is the only auto manufacturer still that delivers over-the-air software updates to modify performance.
One of my biggest regrets so far in the stock market is not to have bought Tesla stock in mid-2020. Back then, a lot of people were saying it was way overvalued and things like that, and it made me wait for a pullback. Well, the rest is history. Tesla stock rallied hard and I ended up staying out. The fact is, Tesla stock has never been cheap. It's currently trading at a forward PE of 87.84, and the only factor grade that is red on Seeking Alpha is precisely the valuation factor. All the others are green with very good grades. My point is, if you're waiting for Tesla to become a cheap stock to buy in, I guess you'll never own Tesla stock or it will be too late. As always, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to smash the like button to help the channel. Wish you the best and thanks for watching.